Hi, this video is to help you turn off the little chime that activates on your Audi when you open the doors, or your door, the driver door, when the vehicle is on. For example, if I open the door, you get that chime, and it'll keep going on, and it'll eventually turn off. Now you can actually turn it off earlier if you want to. I'll close the door. So it's very simple. So when you open the door, and it's annoying to most people that own an Audi, so if you open the door, on the right hand side of the stalk for your windshield wiper, if you just hit the reset button, sometimes you have to hit it twice, but that'll deactivate the chime. So that's just a little quick shortcut to do that, so it doesn't drive you insane like it did me. So there you go.